Hi class, Dr. Rossler here for podcast 3.0 on capitalism. Uh, so I'm going to do a few things in this lecture. The first thing I will do is to go over some administrative points. Then I will get to the lecture proper, and I will talk about how to problematize capitalism, or how we will problematize capitalism. Then I'll turn to basic definitions and histories of capitalism. And finally, I'll end up talking about the text that will support our discussions about capitalism. So first of all, administratively, in terms of the voice thread, please make sure that you proof your voice thread before you submit it in terms of the audio and the video. So make sure that the audio and the video quality is up to par, is accessible, people can hear it, people can see it. You also might want to, turn on the closed captioning to see how closed captioning is rendering your presentation, and if it's not getting it all right, which for the most part it often does, then you might want to correct that. Both those things, or vetting your video before you submit it, is good practice. It's not only a professional thing to do, but it's a good critical thing to do. It reminds you what you said, and then in terms of writing your description and your title, it can be very helpful for that too. So make sure that you vet it before you submit it. I would also recommend that you vet it after you submit it. Sometimes it happens that we, and all of us do this at one point or another, and I've done it myself, you submit the wrong video. We create a lot of videos for this course, and sometimes we just put the wrong one up. So make sure that you put the right one up, okay? Usually I'll tell you that, the one you put up is, not right, but it's better if you, get it right on your own end. Otherwise, everything is looking good, and I think you'll have a lot of good material to work with when you get to your final. Okay, so that's what you're doing. You're creating all this material, so when we get to the final, you can work with it and stuff like that. So everything's looking good at this point. I really like what people are saying. So again, very happy with that. And final note: if you've not submitted any assignments, please do so. I will accept them as late assignments, and I'll give you some credit for it. It's important to get everything in.